Question number 1. Which cardiac marker rises first in acute myocardial infarction? The right answer is B. Myoglobin. Question number 2. Which condition shows pulses ferrodoxis? The right answer is A. Pericardial tamponade. Question number 3. Which antibiotic causes red man syndrome? The right answer is A. Vancomycin. Question number 4. Which lung volume remains after maximal expiration? The right answer is B. Residual volume. Question number 5. Which type of shock shows warm extremities in early phase? The right answer is B. Septic. Question number 6. Which anesthesia gas can cause megaloblastic anemia and prolonged use? The right answer is D. Nitrous oxide. Question number 7. Which electrolyte imbalance causes flattened T waves and U waves? The right answer is B. Hypokalemia. Question number 8. Which stain is used for detection of Mycobacterium tuberculosis? The right answer is B. Ziehl-Neelsen stain. Question number 9. Which hormone has anti-insulin effect? The right answer is C. Growth hormone. Question number 10. Which drug is avoided in G6PD deficiency? The right answer is B. Fremequin. Question number 11. Which nerve supplies the diaphragm? The right answer is B. Phrenic. Question number 12. Which condition shows butterfly rash on face? The right answer is D. Systemic lupus erythematosus. Question number 13. Which vitamin deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia with neuropathy? The right answer is B. Vitamin B12. Question number 14. Which antibiotic is contraindicated in pregnancy due to teeth discoloration? Right answer is B. Tetracycline. Question number 15. Which heart sound is heard in mitral stenosis? The right answer is A. Opening sniff. Question number 16. Which immunoglobulin is first produced in primary immunoresponse? The right answer is B. IgM. Question number 17. Which clotting factor is vitamin K dependent? The right answer is B. Picture IX. Question number 18. Which disease shows cough-like spots? The right answer is B. Measles. Question number 19. Which drug causes gingival hyperplasia? The right answer is A. Phenytoin. Question number 20. Which vaccine is live attenuated? The right answer is B. Oral polio. Question number 21. Which artery is punctured in radial arterial blood gas sampling? The right answer is B. Radial. Question number 22. Which condition is associated with clubbing of fingers. The right answer is B. Bronchiectasis. Question number 23. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? The right answer is C. Vitamin C. Question number 24. Which drug is antidote for benzodiazepine poisoning? The right answer is B. Flumazenil. Question number 25. Which cardiac arrhythmia shows sawtooth waves? The right answer is A. Atrial flutter. Question number 26. Which electrolyte imbalance is linked with Chvostek sign? The right answer is A. Hypoglycemia. Question number 27. Which is the earliest cranial nerve affected by raised intracranial pressure? The right answer is B. Abducens nerve. Question number 28. Which disease is caused by Borrelia burgdorferi? The right answer is B. Lyme disease. Question number 29. Which condition shows ring enhancing lesion on CT brain? The right answer is A. Tuberculoma. Question number 30. Which drug is first line for anaphylaxis? The right answer is B. Epinephrine. Question number 31. Which electrolyte imbalance prolonged QT interval? The right answer is B. Hypoglycemia. Question number 32. Which disease is called rat fever? The right answer is B. Leptospirosis. Question number 33. Which hormone is secreted by corpus luteum? The right answer is B. Progesterone. Question number 34. Which infection is confirmed by MAN2 test? The right answer is A. Tuberculosis. Question number 35. Which drug causes gray baby syndrome? The right answer is A. Chloramphenicol. Question number 36. Which electrolyte imbalance causes peak T waves? The right answer is A. Hyperkalemia. Question number 37. Which test is used for diagnosis of syphilis? The right answer is A. VDRL. Question number 34. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? The right answer is B. Rubella. Question number 39. Which cranial nerve controls lateral rectus muscle of eye? The right answer is C. Abducens. Question number 40. Which electrolyte disturbance is common with amphotericin B therapy? Right answer is A. Hypokalemia. Question number 41. Which hepatitis virus is DNA virus? The right answer is B. Hepatitis B. Question number 42. Which sign indicates meningitis in infants? The right answer is A. Bulging fontanelle. Question number 43. Which vitamin deficiency leads to Wernicke's encephalopathy? The right answer is A. Vitamin B1. Question number 44. Which electrolyte abnormality occurs in Addison's disease? The right answer is B. Hypernatremia and hypokalemia. Question number 45. Which disease is diagnosed with strength tests for mucus? The right answer is A. Giardiasis. Question number 46. Which drug is nephrotoxic and ototoxic? The right answer is A. Gentamicin. Question number 47. Which is the antidote for heparin overdose? The right answer is B. Protamine sulfate. Question number 48. Which disease shows All's eye cells? The right answer is A. CMV infection. Question number 49. Which drug is used for prevention of postpartum hemorrhage? The right answer is A. Ergometrin. Question number 50. Which electrolyte imbalance increases risk of digoxin toxicity? The right answer is A. Hypokalemia.